Hello, my name is ihalpern with Brown Harris Stevens, and I want to welcome you to 333 West 56th Street, the iconic Park Vendôme condominium. We are on the 3rd floor in an oversized one-bedroom. And what I really love about this apartment, you get the pre-war elegance with all of the modern accoutrements. These casement windows have this very pleasing black mullion. And what's neat about it is, besides the beauty of the windows, you have the convenience of motorized electric blinds, solar blind and a privacy blind. You'll see that the owner, when she renovated, put in a beautiful white oak floor with a very nice matte finish. In addition, you're gonna have the high ceilings with nice beams and also architectural square-edged recessed lighting that's very current. Now, when you come over and take a look at this kitchen, it's just minimalist and sleek. You have a giant expanse of white silestone, and every detail, every square inch was used. Elegant Shinoki cabinetry, a Bosch suite of appliances. So before we take a look at the master bedroom, I want to bring your attention to a detail that this apartment has, which is just really incredible because it's so convenient for how we live today when guests come to visit. So this area now, as you see, has a Peloton, and it can be a great office space. But what they did here is create a perfect Murphy bed that comes down, and look how nice that is. Your master bedroom. Again, we're facing south, so it gets really nice light. And one of the things that I think you'll agree is there's never enough storage space in a New York apartment. Well, this apartment has a lot. And you can see it's all done out beautifully for you, so you can fit all of your things. And there's another closet as well. Now, I'm gonna take you to what I think is, for me, the nicest spot, which is the bathroom, because bathrooms are really hard to make nice, especially when it's not a super huge bathroom. Beautiful ash gray chevron flooring and matching mosaic square marble tiles in the bathroom. You have nice big white porcelain wall tiles, and you have a rain shower fixture with a wand. It's all Hansgrohe fixtures. Now that you've seen the apartment, I want to talk about the amenities. In addition to an elevator and a fully staffed lobby, there's an exquisite private garden, club room with billiards, music room, laundry room, and a library. So now we are in the famous garden of the Park Vendôme, and no matter how many times I come here, it always just takes my breath away. And it's so nice right now in full bloom. And now we're gonna cut through and to the other side of the complex, and we're gonna go up to the roof deck. Well, hello there. Oh my God, so we made it. We are on the roof deck, and what an incredible space. Now, look, right away, you've got this outdoor shower, and in the hot months of summer, how cool is it to have your own outdoor shower here? You look down, you can see Freedom Tower, Hudson Yards, you got it all, and you've got this like very practical and remarkably quiet roof deck, and you can see some of the architectural details of the building, including the griffins up there. So I want to thank you all for coming on this tour. I think you'll agree that this is one of the most special one-bedrooms that you'll see, and Park Vendôme is an incredible place to be. So if you have any questions, if you want to see the apartment, please reach out to me. I'm ihalpern with Brown Harris Stevens.